Hey there, Beth. We're out on the weather porch with Miss Olivia. She is here with an interesting recipe for us, something you can add to your sandwich, maybe your chicken salad, your tuna salad. I like mayo on my burgers, and I think it's kind of like burger season right now as it's sort of warming up, but we are making homemade mayonnaise today.
Exactly. And there's got to be a bazillion recipes for homemade mayonnaise with the same thing, only different.
But yours is the best.
We'll see. Lemon juice is in some of them, and I think that would be really good as well. We're going to use white vinegar.
Okay.
We have already put in 2 eggs, and according to the recipe, if the fresher the egg you use, the longer your mayonnaise will last in the refrigerator. I would cut it off at a week regardless.
Okay.
Now, 2 eggs, salt,
Salt.
dry mustard, white vinegar, and then we're just going to go zip so that we mix all that nicely.
Got your blender.
Yeah. And that's perfectly mixed. Now, we don't have time to add the oil, but we're going to start it so we know how we want to do it.
This is a process, huh?
Yes.
This
well,
is the last step.
If you add it too quickly, you will not get an emulsion. It will separate.
Oh, that's right. Well,
So-
science lesson for you there.
And I can't even spell emulsion, but I can
blowing.
make mayonnaise. So we're going to turn this on, and we're going to try not to let it run too long because it's awful noisy.
Pouring the oil in,
This is-
little bit by little.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Some of the recipes even suggested drops.
And how much oil is that in there?
This is a scant 2 cups.
2 cups of oil that you just slowly...
Not quite 2 cups.
And you can kind of see the color turning there too. It was that bright yellow, and it's slowly getting a little bit creamier looking.
It will also thicken. It will get
It
thicker.
will get thicker.
Yes. Now, we've heard enough.
You heard enough of that.
But anyway, that's the speed with which you put it in there.
Slowly
Very
poured in there.
slowly.
And that's perfect. You got your little topper there on the blender so it doesn't all shoot out.
Well, this blender came over on the ark, I think.
I don't think so.
It is very old, but one of my friends picked it up at a church yard sale. It's brand new.
There you go.
Now, the reason we got into making homemade mayonnaise, a sweet, sweet lady was in the store, and she likes mayonnaise, but it doesn't like her. So we couldn't figure out what was in it that bothered her.
Oh, so you made some special.
So we're going to make it and see if she can tolerate it.
Great. Is this in the menu right now?
No, I use Kraft mayonnaise in the chicken salad.
All right.
Because-
Only special for her.
Well, I need it to have a longer shelf life.
Oh, that's right.
I can't
Serve
be
it longer.
making mayonnaise once a
Great.
week and then throwing out what I did not use.
Well, some homemade mayonnaise for you to maybe whip up tonight or this weekend. And of course, if people want to come see you at the restaurant, where are you located?
1108 West Broadway in the city of Maryville.
Go check her out. All right, Miss Olivia, thank you.